As of January 2025, Capcut has introduced several advanced features that enhance video editing capabilities. One of them is the AI-powered editing tools. Features like auto captioning right here, or background removal or remove background right here, as you can see at the top, and basically multiple AI themes like product photos, AI poster, AI model, teleprompter, image enhancement, right? Simplifying complex editing skills. Next, the advanced effects and filters. The app includes right here, if you went to any project, let's say for example this project, right? And inside you're gonna be able to see the effects. You're gonna be able to see the body effects and the photo effects and the video effects, right? And the app includes 3D motion tracking and hyper realistic filters if you select the filters from here, right? And uh, allowing for dynamic and interactive visuals, right? Next, the multi-platform support. Capcut Pro 2025 offers seamless use across device with cloud synchronization, right? Enabling users to start editing on one device and continue on another, right? You can see right here, if you're logged in with your account, you're gonna be able to have your own space to add or basically work on your videos. Same as using your browser and continuing using your own account, right? And of course, you have the feature of collaboration, right? Or before I go to the collaboration, you're gonna see right here the spaces, right? And you're gonna be able to see this is your space, even if you logged in with your Mac, right? And you have also the collaboration tools. Share workspace and version history features facilitate real-time collaboration among team members. If you want to know how it's done, you could go ahead and click me right here. And of course, you can go and click your profile or view profile, and you're gonna be able to, add other people and invite them to your workshop. As you can see, I don't have any workshop as of now, but basically you can follow other people, other creators, and start collaborating on content creation. Okay, so by integrating these features into your workflow, you can elevate your video editing skills and produce professional quality content with CapCut Pro 2025. See you in the next one, and do not forget to like and subscribe.